Welcome! This video demonstrates parameter sweeps in QSPICE using the STEP command. Here is a transient simulation in QSPICE where the resistance value of the resistor R1 is swept over three values, 150, 250, and 500 ohms. There are two pieces to this parameter sweep setup. First, the value of the resistor R1 is set to the variable res1, rather than being set to a single numerical constant value of resistance. Second, the STEP command defines the sweep. The swept values, in this case, are defined in a list. Let's show how to set up a parameter sweep in QSPICE. Simulate this gain peaking circuit. Right-click on the right-hand scale and select No Phase Plot to remove the phase signal from the plot. This V of out signal is our single value simulation with 1K ohm of resistance. The first step in setting up the parameter sweep is to assign the resistance to a variable name, to the parameter name. Let's say res_p. Double-click on the 1K and type res_p over it. The second step is the STEP command. Right-click in the schematic and in the pop-up menu, select Place Text SPICE Directive. Click in the schematic to place the statement. Type in .step for the command. Notice the convenient syntax cues we get when we type. Type in lin for linear spacing of the resistance steps. Parameter assignment is res_p. The initial resistance value for the parameter sweep is 500 ohms. The final resistance value is 6.5K ohms. The interval is 1K ohm. Simulate the parameter sweep. Here we see the output voltage for 7 different values of resistance. Drag a box to zoom in. Right-click in the plot area and in the pop-up menu, select the Simulation Step tool. From this pop-up window, we can select any of the 7 signal plots individually using the Control key for multiple select. And we can go back to Plot All. Let's bring up Help to see the command reference. Here is the command reference information on the STEP user-defined parameter STEP command, showing the linear sweep syntax that we just used. The STEP parameter sweep is not the only parameter sweep in QSPICE. This circuit shows DC sweep with a circuit that comes from the Qorvo forum. Here's the QSPICE help command reference for DC sweep in case you want to pursue it. Different from the QSPICE help, which we access from the QSPICE graphical user interface, there is an additional online reference available on GitHub, which we recommend. The %20 symbols in the URL represent spaces.
Thank you for watching and learning with us.